Welcome to Mastering Stock Trading, a fundamental analysis guide. Are you ready to take your stock trading skills to the next level? In this video, we will show you how to analyze the fundamentals of any stock. Step 1. Start by analyzing the company's financial statements, such as the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Look for trends and patterns that indicate the company's financial health. Step 2. Evaluate the company's management team. Look for experienced leaders with a track record of success. Analyze their past achievements and their ability to execute the company's strategies. Step 3. Examine the company's industry and competitive position. Is the industry growing? Who are the main competitors? Assess the company's competitive advantage and its ability to compete in the market. Step 4. Analyze the company's products or services. Are they innovative? Do they have a unique selling proposition? Evaluate the demand for the company's offerings and assess its potential for future growth. Step 5. Consider the company's valuation. Calculate key financial ratios such as price-to-earnings ratio, price-to-sales ratio, and return on equity. Compare these ratios to industry benchmarks to determine if the stock is undervalued or overvalued. Remember, fundamental analysis is just one tool in your trading arsenal. Combine it with technical analysis and market research for a holistic view. Thanks for watching our fundamental analysis guide. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies.